In the name of God, I'm Rosa and this is the second video of Knot Pillows tutorial that I want to show you the tools we need. I talked about the fabrics in the last video. The first tool that we need is a pair of good scissors. Another tool is a polyca pipe. It has different sizes that can be used for different braid thicknesses. For example, as I use this polyca pipe that its diameter is 5 centimeters or 2 inches, as you see. I use this for my ordinary knot pillows. The length of it is about 50 centimeters, and please sanding the two sides that will help not to destroy your fabrics. For making a knot puff, I bought a 7 centimeters pipe or 1/2 inches. The thin pipes are for making thinner braids. And I bought a walking stick that has two parts, and I used the upper part of that. You can buy wooden cane and saw it to the size of about 52 centimeters. Using a cane, it will help your hand not to be bothered for feeling the braids. Also, we need a pattern as guide for cutting the fabrics. This cardboard is my pattern. Its width is about 17 centimeters because it's a good size for most of my fabrics such as velvet or tricot. For example, this velvet fabric that I use, I put it on the pipe to measure the width of cutting braids, as you see. It's stretchy, so we should measure how much we should cut it to make a braid. As you see, I put it on the pipe and measure it, and I think it's almost we need 17.5 centimeters for widths of cuts. It's proper for that. You should find out which length is proper for your fabric to cut. We also need a paper glue tape. And the main material that we use is white polyester fibers. We fill the braids with that. That has different types. I suggest polyester hub fibers because they are softer and lightweight. Also because they are washable. And their shape doesn't change after washing. We fill the braids with these fibers by using the cane. Buy the best quality of polyester fibers. It's worth. The other tool that we need is a sewing machine. But the point is, you should choose a sewing machine that is able to sew zigzags because we need it to sewing the braids, and it's so important for us. I used this Janome sewing machine for 4 years, and I'm so thankful for that. But you have another choice that is better than this and have a faster speed for sewing. Recently, I bought this overlock 4-thread sewing machine from the brand Jack. That's industrial, and it has a very fast speed in sewing, and it helped me a lot, um, because it's so neat and so fast. If you are going to buy a sewing machine, I suggest you to buy this one, because it's so speedy in working, and this will decrease your time so much. This video is end, and I wish it will be useful for you.